Hey there, this is Hunter O'Reilly 3, author of Stack Silver, Get Gold. You can check out my website at www.stacksilvergetgoldbuybitcoin.com. And in this quick video, I just want to introduce you to a new way I use to keep track of precious metals and all the ratios. So I used to use some of the major websites, and what I didn't like about the major websites was that they had ulterior motives, so a lot of them sell you stuff. So you'd be tracked around the internet, you'd have to give your email address up, and then you'd get a ton of spammy emails. And I just didn't like I just didn't like the big business aspect of them. So a new way to track was brought to my attention, and it is called Metals Mine. You can go to metalsmine.com and you'll come to this page. And I know what you're thinking. You're going, what the hell? It looks like, an old 1980s video game machine. But you'll get to like this format. So the thing I like about Metals Mine is they only make their money by having these banner ads up. So as you can see, there's my book. It is the best-selling gold and silver book on Amazon. Uh, and that's it. If you like it, you click on it. If you don't, you ignore the ads. That's basically how they make their money. They don't make their money by building an email address, an email list, or anything else like that to spam you with stuff. So what I like about Metals Mine is look at all the tracking. So if we look up at the top here, you see I'm tracking gold in US dollars right now. I'm tracking the Dow gold ratio, which is one of my favorite ratios to track. And I don't know any other site that you can put it in a tracking station like this. The gold silver ratio, all right, we're really high right now. We've been high lately. It's come down a little bit. Silver to US dollars, Bitcoin to silver ratio, that's a good one. Here's platinum, here's palladium, here's copper. But again, you can go up to settings here and you can pick all the ratios you want to track. You don't have to follow what I'm following here, but when we click on the Dow gold ratio, for instance, they will give you a nice chart of uh, of Dow gold, monthly, daily. They've got the hour charts, etc. So this site, it's built for traders, but I'm not exactly a day trader, so I use it just to keep track. I keep it on in the background in a tab open. Not only does it have great tracking of metals, but you've also got a calendar right here of everything going on that can affect the metals markets. Okay, so and then their impact, medium impact expected, low impact expected on the metals markets. So it gives you what the actual is, what the forecast was, what the previous was, and you can even go into a graph here of all of um, you know, government stats that are being released, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, unemployment claims, anything that you think could be related to and move the metals markets, you find right here. And this is going on for just today. Another thing I like are the forums. So they've got forums which you can sign up for. To sign up, you just go up here on the top to sign up for a forum. And the thing I like about the forums is that you can find out what people who are in the markets are thinking in real time. About if you're a day trader, this is perfect. You can look for momentum, stuff like that. But it's just nice to get your head around the general sentiment in the market. Plus, there's a lot of good threads in here that you can find on almost anything related to gold, silver, or precious metals. Also, they list the news stories, and these aren't, TMZ news stories. These are the news stories related to metals. They've got the hottest stories here, the latest, the like. They've got session times of of metals markets. You know, when does it start in London, Tokyo, Sydney? So again, this is just my new favorite way to track metals charting, metals trading. It's called Metals Mine. They only make their money with these banners ads here. You can follow it at metalsmine.com, and I will do a more in-depth video upcoming. This is just me sounding off here really quickly to alert you guys that everybody should start using Metals Mine right now to keep track of their metals and follow their charting. Hunter Riley 3, Stack Silver, Get Gold book on Amazon, or go to Stack Silver, Get Gold, buybitcoin.com for my online video training program.